Okay, so you want to put a balance master on your 912 on the back side. They make two of these, one for the prop side and then for the flywheel side. So in order to fix your crank so it doesn't spin, you have to take out this bolt here, which is an M8, and then you need to get yourself just some long bolt and then round off the threads. So it doesn't have to be a 45, but just, relieve it. And the point is that you're trying to get cylinder 1 to top dead center, and you can do that with a feeler gauge, my super accurate feeler gauge here of a plastic ballpoint pen, and then you can rock it with a 15/16 impact socket or a big socket with a breaker bar, and find where top dead center is on that. And then from there you can screw your M8 bolt into this hole, and what you're trying to do is you're trying to find there's a hole or a groove in the crank that this will go into, and if you get it into the right spot, you cannot move it back or forth at all. It will just affix the crank. If you don't have this into top dead center, or let's say you have it at bottom, or somewhere there in between, you can get it to go all the way in, but you will be not in the hole on the actual crank itself, and you aren't really affixing the crank, and you could potentially bend the bolt if you proceed forward. So make sure that you really do have the right spot. Then from there, take this guy off, put your new flywheel on, and retorque it to 65 foot-pounds with some light Loctite, like blue or something like that. That should be all that you need to put your balance master on your 912. Thank you.